Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, March 23rd to Friday, March 28th. Going to be breaking down my 5 main currency pairs with DXY, WTI COUSD, BCOUSD, S&P, NAS, and US30. So to start us off, let's start with the DXY. DXY from the previous week going into this one, you do see since price made that big bearish push to the downside from the previous weeks ago, it does look like we could be getting retracement to fill in the gap that price made. Right, daily it has been going to the upside, so is the 3-hour as well. Right, we have been going into some bullish order flow. Looking at GJ from the previous week going into this one, we do see price has been respecting this daily supply area. Yeah, we do see 2 wick breakouts, but not a full body candle closure. So I'm still watching it. Obviously, it does look like it's going to take that area out. But if you look at the 3-hour, we are in kind of a range, so I would stay away from that pair. Also, since it's being in that daily supply area, I wouldn't be looking for buys or sells, just because from the 2 wicks taking it out, it does look like it's going to get taken out. Plus, looking at below, it looks like it has beautiful lower highs and lower lows. Beautiful stair step pattern, in my opinion. GU now. So GU from the previous week going into this one. On the weekly, we are bullish, right? Daily, we are bullish as well. 3-hour, we were bullish up until Monday, right? Monday, we had a break, retest again, and then they fell through beyond the breakout point. So H3 order flow has switched to bearish order flow, but overall daily structure is still bullish. Looking left, you see prices rejecting from a daily bullish order block right around here. So I'm going to go ahead and label that area, just right around there. We're going to go ahead and watch this area. Daily bullish, daily, TBV demand. Want to see what price is going to do in this area. Still watching this area though. Going to delete this area. I was back testing earlier today. That's why I still have this here as well. But overall, still watching this area. I'm going to see what price does in this area. Next, we got EU. EU from the previous week going into this one. Looking left, I do have a daily area of supply that price was rejecting from. Similar to what I said with GU, we didn't get a full candle body closure, right? And then with the DXY now retracing to the upside to fill in the gap that it made from that big bearish push 2 weeks ago, right? EU is just counter correlating with it, right? Going to the downside and looking like it's going to fill in the range. So looking left, right, you do see the DXY made a big bearish push, right, with EU. Just looking, made a big bullish push. So overall, everything's correlated with each other, right? DXY is going to retrace to the upside. EU is going to go to the downside, both filling in their gaps. That's why it's very good to correlate DXY with pairs that have the USD as the second base currency. EU, GU, AU, you know what I mean? UJ is going to do the opposite, right? Because USD is the first, but similar price action in terms of confluences with trades. So I do see EU going to the downside. Right, bearish order flow. Let's see what happens though. AU, previously going into this one. So we do see price rejected from a weekly area of supply, right around there. Right, price hit that 50% area. Weekly. Supply. Right, overall, respecting that supply area. I do see AUD USD continuing to go to the downside. Let's see what happens though. Daily price action is kind of just ranging. Right, we did have a little stair step pattern. Price is looking like it was going to go out of the area, but overall still rejecting from these lows and these highs right around here. So I just stay away from the pair, in my opinion. It's not as clear price action as GU and EU, in my opinion. So UJ looking like we are going to be going to the upside. I was back testing earlier today, so I'm gonna delete this area. But looking at a 3-hour, we mind a rejection from this sell. The hour TV supply area right around here, right? Drop, base drop right around here. But overall, 3-hour TBV supply area. I do see this getting taken out just because the DXY looks like it's gonna retrace it upside to fill in that gap that it made from that big bearish push. Gold, new all-time high. It's not going any higher. It could keep going higher, to be honest. But overall, gold is bullish on all time frames. I'd only be looking for continuation buys, nothing else. WTI USD still rejecting from that weekly supply area I had drawn for the last 2 weeks, right? I do see this getting taken out in my opinion, but let's see what happens. Overall, a very strong weekly supply area. I'm going to go ahead and extend this area of supply as well. BCO USD, very similar price action to WTI, except obviously the supply is just a bit off. It's not going to be the exact same, but they do usually correlate with each other. S&P, rejected from that weekly demand area I had drawn. Three-hour is bullish order flow. Let's see what happens with that pair. NAS, similar price action to S&P, rejected from that weekly demand area. I do see price going to the upside. US 30 USD, similar price action to NAS and S&P, just rejected from that weekly demand area. Looking like we're in a retracement. But that's all for my weekly breakdown, guys. I thank you guys for watching my videos and have a good trading week.